10th chapter, Applications of Derivatives. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, part 42. Last part completed. Window problem, very important repeated problem. Window problem completed, that is repeated 7 marks problem in IP examination. Today class discuss wire problem. Which problem? Wire model problem. What is that problem? A wire of length L. A wire of length L is cut into two parts. Cut into two parts, not equal parts. Just two parts cut that wire, which are bent respectively in the form of a square and a circle. Here, that way you can cut two parts. One part is square, another part is circle. You can bend that way. What are the lengths of the pieces? What are the length of the pieces of the wire? Respectively, what is the length of the first piece length and second piece length? You can find here, so that the sum of the areas of the is reached. The sum of these two areas of the cutting wires is reached. First of all, you have to take length wire. This is wire. This one is wire. This wire length is L. This wire length is what? L. This wire cuts two parts. Two parts. One part is this. This is the first part. This one is the second part. This is first part. Nothing but first piece. This is the second piece. This first piece bent square. First piece bent square. Second piece bent circle. Here first piece square, nothing but all sides are equal. This is the center, this one is the radius. First of all, I write down here length of the wire is equal to L. Then this wire cuts, given that wire cuts two parts, then bend first part in a square and second part in a circle. Then length of the wire L is equal to perimeter of the square plus circumference of the circle. Correct understands? Here this wire divides two parts. First part is square, second part is this is square. This is circle. Then what is the length of the wire? This perimeter totally added, you get length of the wire. That's why L is equal to, what is the length of the square? Length of the, here perimeter of the square is what? What is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of the square is 4x. And the perimeter of the circle. This circle radius we have to take R. R is radius, then circumference or perimeter of the circle is 2 pi R. You can write these two values here. L is equal to perimeter of the square is 4x plus circumference of the circle is 2 pi R. Here you can write let x be the side of the square and R be the x be the side of the square, R be the radius of the circle. These two are very important by points by the figure. Here L equal to 4x plus 2 pi r. Here L equal to 4x plus 2 pi r, you can write 1. Then sum of the areas nothing but area of the wire is A equal to area of the wire equal to area of the circle, area of the first square, area of the square plus area of the circle. Understood or not? Area of the circle. This is very easy. That is problem. But this way divides to two parts cut. First part is square, second part is circle. Then what is the length of the wire? Length of the wire is this perimeter perimeter of the square and perimeter of the circle, you can find the length of the way completed. Next, what is the area of the way? Area of the way nothing but area of the square and the area of the circle. You can write the area of the square is x square. Area of the circle is pi r square. These two are formulas. You can write here a is equal to area of the square is x square plus area of the circle is pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. After that, you can write this is equation number 2. Here in this equation 1 implies L equal to 4x plus 2 pi r. What is the value of r? Here L minus 4x equal to 2 pi r. Then r equal to L minus 4x by r equal to L minus 4x by 2 pi. This is equation number 3. This r value substituted 2 in equation 3. Substituted in equation 2. 2 implies what is the area? Area of the way A equal to x square plus pi into r square. R square nothing but L minus 4x by 2 pi whole square. Understood? A equal to x square plus pi r square value this one. After that you can write A is equal to x square plus pi into separated square L minus 4x whole square by 2 pi whole square nothing but 4 pi square. Here square 1 pi get cancelled. Remaining A is equal to x square plus 1 by 4 pi into L minus 4x whole square. This function total in terms of x. That's why this area of the way put f of x equal to area of the way. F of x equal to area of the way. A is equal to x square plus 1 by 4 pi into L minus 4x whole square. Suppose we have to take this is equation number 4. This is the way you can find the f of x value. After that you can simplify f dash x 0. After that similar way of previous problem. This is a very important point. This figure you can identify clearly. Then you can write this is also be very simple. Derivative on both sides with respect to x. You get constants d by dx of f of x equal to d by dx of x square plus 1 by 4 by common d by dx of L minus 4x whole square. Yes, students, f of x derivative is f dash x square derivative is 2x, x square derivative is 2x, 1 by 4 by, here u power n formula. What is the value of u? U is L minus 4x, n value is 2, n into L minus 4x whole power n minus 1. N into u power n minus 1 completed. Next derivative of L minus 4x. After that 2x plus 1 by 4 pi into 2 ones are 2 that get cancelled 1 by 2 pi 1 by 2 pi into L minus 4x whole power 2 minus 1. What is the derivative of it? L nothing but constant derivative is 0 minus 4 common x derivative is 1. You can write 2x plus 1 by 2 pi into L minus 4x. Here 0 minus 4 into 1 you can write 0 minus 4 value is minus 4. You get 2x plus into minus 2 by 5 into L minus 4x. This is the f dash x value. This is f dash x. This is equation number 5. After that, the condition that the f of x having maximum or minimum, then f dash x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of f dash x? F dash x value is 2x minus 2 by 5 into L minus 4x. This value equal to, this is f dash x equal to 0. Then you can write 2x equal to, this value goes to here 2 by 5 into L minus 4x. Here 2 get cancelled. Next x is equal to 1 by 5 into L minus 4x. Then 5 into x, 5x equal to L minus 4x. This x goes to here. You get the 5x plus 4x equal to L. In this two term, which one is common? X is common. 5 plus 4 is equal to L. Then x is equal to L by 5 plus 4. This is the value of x. This is the value of x. After that, in equation 5, one second derivative. In equation 5, derivative on both sides with respect to x. 1 second. What is the derivative? d by dx of f dash x is equal to 2 comma d by dx of x minus 1 by 2 by pi comma minus 2 by pi comma d by dx of L minus 4x. d by dx of L minus 4x. Here f dash x derivative is f double dash x is equal to 2 into x derivative is 1 minus 2 by pi into L derivative nothing but constant derivative 0 minus 4 common x derivative is 1. After that 2 minus 2 by pi into 0 minus 4 that is minus 4. After that you can write f double dash of x equal to 2 minus into minus plus 2 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 2 is 8 by 5. Here this is equation number 4 completed, equation number 5 completed, you have to take equation number 6. In equation 6, substituted x is equal to L by 5 plus 4. X is equal to L by 5 plus 4. You get what? 6 implies f double dash of x value is L by 5 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 8 by 5. Here 2 plus 8 by 5 is a constant function. This is a positive constant function. That's why you can get greater than 0. You can write greater than 0. Therefore, f double dash x is greater than 0. Then the function f of x, function f of x or area of the y, area of the y or some of the areas of the parts of the y is minimum or least. Minimum or this can be written as least, minimum or least at x is equal to L by 5 plus 4. You get x value, that is x value is L by 5 plus 4. This value, the sum of the areas of the y is sum of the areas of the parts of the y is least or minimum. After that you can find the length of the first y and the length of the second y. First piece, length of the first piece. What is the first piece here? First piece nothing but square. What is the length of the square? Length of the square nothing but perimeter of the square, that is 4x. Then 4 into x value is what? X value is L by 5 plus 4. You can write 4L by 5 plus 4. This is the length of the first piece. That first piece is square. This completed. Next, length of the second piece. What is the meaning of second piece? Second piece nothing but a circle. What is the length of the circle? Nothing but perimeter. What is the perimeter? 2 pi r. That equal to 2 pi. What is the value of r? R value is L minus 4x by 2 pi. This is a r. Here 2 pi get cancelled. L minus 4x. What is the value of x? X value is what here? Right now. L minus 4 into x value is L by 5 plus 4. You can write x value. After that, you can write L minus 4L by 5 plus 4. You have to take LCM. What is the LCM? 5 plus 4 is the LCM. Next, L into 5 plus 4 minus 4L. Multiply internally. 5 into L, 5L. 4 into L, 4L minus 4L by 5 plus 4. Here 4L get cancelled. 5L by 5 plus 4. This is the length of the second piece. This is the length of the second piece. Therefore, length of the first piece is length of the pieces. Therefore, length of the pieces respectively. First length of the first piece is 4L by 5 plus 4. Second piece is 5L by 5 plus 4. Here this is the square. This is the circle. In this way, you can do this wire problem. This wire problem also be very important repeated problem in IB examination. 7-mark problem. In this way, you can do this wire problem. You get easily understood. Otherwise, very difficult. Compulsory this wire problem or window problem compulsory depend on a diagram. You get easily understood. Otherwise, difficult.